Ladies and gentlemen, it is time to up my game. Today's video is going to be a quick and partial unboxing video. For those of you who have been watching my channel for a while, you know that many of my videos, matter of fact, all of them, but I edited out. It would not be a video if something is not like falling, something is not focusing, something in my just video accessory, just kit or whatever is just out to embarrass me every video, y'all. And I be zooming and cropping and angling and refocusing and doing everything I can to make these videos look a halfway decent quality. Well, I ordered a couple of things. One thing came in the mail, and that's going to be today's unboxing. Now, I give 100% credit of this video to Just Lost JC or whatever. If you have not seen her channel, if you have not checked out her videos, please go ahead and check them out. I'll put something on the screen where you can see her channel, what it looks like, and I will reference the specific video for the product that she influenced me to purchase. I have a ring light now that I purchased based on another YouTuber that I have been watching and following. Forgive me, I can't remember who she is right now, but I have it on right now. It works, it's okay, but it's very small. One of the first things that you can see on this box is that it has the ring light. It's a 12-inch ring light. I think the one that I have right now is like 6 or 8 inches. So this is a 12-inch ring light. It has an adjustable stand and it goes, I don't know, a whole bunch of inches. I'll see if I can find it out as I'm doing this video. But it has the camera holder, y'all, that fits inside the ring light. That's what I need. I'm working in very confined spaces, so this is perfect. This also has a Bluetooth remote shutter, which is something that'll come in handy because I'm always having to like reach forward to press record or press pause or whatever. But with this Bluetooth remote control, I'm not gonna have to do that anymore. All right, let's see what's in this box. All right, first of all, this is the toner, TONOR TRL-20 12-inch ring light kit. And I'll have this information either on the screen or in the description box. And also, please check out Just Lost JC's video because she unpackages the whole thing and I believe she sets it up. I'm not going to be doing that in this video, but I want you to go check out her video and check out her channel, and then you can see the whole setup. Now we got this box. Let's see. And y'all know how I am with trying to open stuff as I'm recording. But what we going to do, y'all? We going to zoom and we going to crop. And we going to edit. This must be the stand. I like that it comes in this carry bag with a strap, so that's good. All right, here is the stand, and it has just I think it's 360 degrees. Yes, very mobile, and it has like the notch that you can set a camera on top if you have that. And then it has the tripod, and these are the clamps that you unclamp to extend the leg. Oh Lord. That you extend the legs. And I'll find out like exactly how tall this gets. But Just Lost JC said that she likes it because it is a taller size tripod, which is good if you're doing videos standing up like I do sometimes. All right, here, y'all, look how big. No, I'm not trying to suffocate myself with no plastic, but y'all look how big. This is exactly what I need. And then you see like the knob here to put the camera holder in, so the camera will be inside the ring light, which is something I really need. It's a USB connection. Here is the cell phone holder, and then you see the screw on the bottom that fits into the light. Oh. So here, this fits into the light like this, and then you have some mobility to put your camera or your phone or whatever inside the light. And it's pretty sturdy too. I don't have it screwed all the way in, but this is pretty sturdy, so I don't have to worry about my phone falling out, and I don't have to worry about, once I put it in a position, it's gonna stay in that position. Is the little Bluetooth camera shutter. It says camera 360 iOS, and then for Android. So I don't know if you can see that, but this will definitely come in handy. If you register your device, you can get 24 months of warranty extension, 60 days free return shipping, priority customer support, and VIP exclusive discounts. And then there's an email address for support. It also comes with an instruction manual. Perfect, because I need that. And the manual shows you all of the parts that you were supposed to receive. It gives you the specifications on the ring light. The tripod extends from 16 to 53 inches. Y'all, that's over 4 feet. So that's, yeah, that's definitely something that I need. It tells you how to assemble it, how to use the light stand, and then they have the directions and stuff in multiple languages. So, and this is just the box that everything came in, and there's nothing else included. I am really hoping that this ring light, along with some other things I purchased, yo, hopefully pretty soon my backdrops will not fall anymore. They will not embarrass me, because your girl did order and purchase a backdrop stand. Y'all, I'm moving on up. I'm trying to bring you better quality. I'm trying to bring you more frequent and consistent videos and content of all different kinds, to try to mix it up a little bit. The main focus is the natural hair care, but you know, between my backyard shenanigans, it's gonna be time for me to do a DIY video again soon. The reason why I haven't been doing DIY videos is because I'm still using the stuff that I made, and I don't like to make a whole bunch of DIY stuff just for the sake of making it, because some things you have to use right away, and there's some stuff it takes me a while to use it. So I only record those videos when I'm actually making something for me to use, because you know your girl ain't trying to waste no products. What we say? Waste not, want not. Just a quick note on my hair. These are the twists from my Afro-G protein treatment video. I left my hair in twists for 3 or 4 days. Maybe this might even be the 5th day. I just took the twist out before this video. I have not been tying my hair down that night. I have been sleeping on my satin pillowcase, but the front part, y'all, I took a twist and I put them in a ponytail, like when I do my workouts and stuff like that, but I haven't been trying to preserve the twist at all. But y'all, my hair feels so good. I got nice, bouncy, springy twist outs, curls, twists, whatever. I know they're a little frizzy and they don't look perfect or whatever, but my hair feels so good. It feels so much better, y'all, but I still have to do my trim. I flat ironed my hair, a month or so ago, whatever, however long ago it was, with the express intent of trimming my hair, and I didn't do it. So I still have to do that. Maybe I'll do it during a upcoming wash day, or I don't know. I might just do it off camera, but it's just gonna be a little trim. I'm not gonna cut my hair. I was considering it. I was considering really cutting it, but I'm not gonna cut it. I'm just gonna trim it. So that's all I have for today's video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, click that notifications bell. Yes, and share with everyone you know. Until next time, bye.